morning, Miss Mia.
Good morning, hon.
How are you?
I'm good, thank
Did you have a good sleep?
Not really.
Okay.
I keep tossing and turning.
Did
And
you?
it's just like, I don't know, when you cannot settle in bed. I don't know why.
Because you're excited lying next to me, I know. So you sold another? Two.
Yes. Good morning, mga palangga. So today is... Yes, please. Today is the 5th of January 2019. Oh my gosh, time flies so quickly, Jan.
You've been here 3 years, darling.
Yeah, 3 years. And today is the day that we gonna remove that guy over there. Yeah, our Christmas tree. So you better say goodbye to our Christmas tree and Father Christmas. There they are. That's Father Christmas over there. And this is our Christmas tree for last year. But this Christmas tree really did a good job because we cut this Christmas tree, I think, 7th of December. And it's almost a month now and I never seen any fallouts. What kind of Christmas tree is this, Han?
Northern fir.
Northern?
Northern.
Come on, you need to say.
Northern fir.
Nordman Fair? I don't know. I will put what the Christmas tree called in the screen. Yeah, really good.
You must remember.
So what's the Christmas tree called?
Nordman fir.
Nordman
Fir.
Fair.
Yeah, and it's homegrown by ourselves.
Yeah, homegrown. So you can have some of our trees.
Yeah. Nice tree, that one.
Yeah, very nice.
Hard work, people.
Our Christmas tree is now bare, but I have noticed the top area is like it's starting to fall out. See? And look, there's few right here. And John is now removing our Christmas tree. Bye, tree. Bye, John. Ah. And this is all our Christmas decoration. And I will put them in here. And we did not use our cracker. We'll use that for next year.
Right, just get the spray, darling.
He's leaving me now again. Always leaving me at home.
No, come with me. Come with me.
Can I? Can I come with you? Tatanggalin ko na rin yung mga Christmas card na na-receive namin from this year. This bag right here is full of Christmas card. So these are the Christmas card that we got this year. How many cards? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 Christmas cards. So I'll keep that in there. Yeah, fold him like that.
Hold that, yeah. Go ahead. Again.
Yeah, and then just lay down.
No, not again.
There you go.
No, that's actually working out quite good there. Really what we want is something round this now to hold it. Because if it goes in the box...
Oof. My hair tie. This is my lunch for today. This is my New Year's resolution that I need to be on diet. I don't know how long it will last though. Because John's face, look at his face.
What? I'm on my diet, so I eat seeded batch bread.
So I got the croutons, ham, lettuce, and what do you call this? Grapes, and a little bit of salad cream.
It's a good job it's low fat, isn't it?
Yeah, low fat anyway, so that's fine. Very little. There you go. Good luck for my diet.
What's with black pepper?
No, I don't like that. We're going out. John is out because he is washing his car. Oh my god, it's so freezing. Yeah, he is right there. And hopefully, mga palangga, he will wash my car. That's a good husband do. So he said that he gonna wash my car, and afterwards I need to hover inside the car because it's just so messy in there. I was just assuming that John will wash my car, but he said to me, he go like that. I was looking at the window and he go like that, shaking the hose pipe.
Wash this off.
This is it. I don't know how to drive with my boots on. So I have to drive with my just socks. Hi mga palangga! So magtatahi na naman ako kasi si Mr. may inutos na naman na tahiin ko daw yung baba niya. Hindi, I'm just kidding. Yung jacket kasi niya, itong jacket niya na palagi niyang sinusuot, nabutas na naman yung bulsa. See? Tingnan niyo, oh, may butas na naman yung bulsa. So, ayun. Magtatahi na naman tayo. Yung battery ko nagbi-blink na. And I don't know what's wrong with me mga palangga, but I got a cold again. I've been having a lot of cold since this past few months, and I feel like my immune system is weak. And it's not a good sign. I need to take care of myself. And finally, it's finished. Here you go. I don't know if you could see it, but at least I did my job as a wife. So that's it for me today, mga palangga. And if you're wondering why I am wearing a sports bra, because I did a little bit of exercise earlier after I mend John's jacket. I did do a squatting and planking, and I don't want to rush my body for doing exercise because I am in for 14 hours tomorrow, and I don't want to wake up tomorrow with aches and pains in my body. It is not a good idea if you are in a long hours. So hopefully, mga palangga, know that we will achieve our goal, and I really want to try myself to stick on my diet and lose weight. That's my goal for this year, because may aatinan ako na wedding, and hindi ko muna sasabihin sa inyo kung sino yung magpapakasal, but that's the goal, to be like, to lose weight, live healthy, and yun ang daming satsat, no? So yun na muna, mga palangga, and I will see you in my next video, and bye! Mwah! Mwah!